Stop recruiting by instinct. Build a predictable agent recruiting system for brokerages using an Ideal Agent Scorecard. Most independent broker owners still recruit agents based on instinct. They meet a candidate, have a conversation, and decide whether they seem like the right fit. But in today's competitive real estate market, that approach often leads to costly hiring mistakes. In this video, you'll learn how the 2026 Ideal Agent Scorecard helps you recruit the right agents consistently using a structured, data-driven approach. First, let's see why traditional recruiting methods often fail. The hidden cost of wrong hires. The biggest recruiting challenge isn't finding agents, it's hiring the wrong ones. Many recruits look promising during interviews but leave within their first year. Every failed hire costs your brokerage valuable time, onboarding effort, lost productivity, and future revenue. The problem isn't enthusiasm. The problem is recruiting without a reliable evaluation system. So, what's the best way to recruit? Recruit by diagnosis, not persuasion. Successful broker owners don't try to convince every agent to join. Instead, they first determine whether the candidate is actually the right fit. Every agent has different goals, motivations, and career stages. Understanding those differences allows you to offer the right opportunity to the right person. That's why modern brokerages are replacing that feeling with structured recruiting. The first step is identifying the type of agent you're recruiting. For agent personas that matter. Not every agent is looking for the same thing. Some are rising producers who want to grow faster. Others are experienced agents looking for stronger systems and support. Some value modern technology and branding, while veteran agents often seek flexibility and long-term income opportunities. Knowing the candidate's persona helps you tailor every recruiting conversation. Once you understand the candidate, it's time to evaluate them objectively. The 2026 Ideal Agent Scorecard. The Ideal Agent Scorecard measures every recruit across 5 important areas: production fit, coachability, technology alignment, cultural fit, and transition friction. Each category is scored from 1 to 7, creating a total score out of 35. Instead of relying on opinions, every recruiting decision becomes measurable and consistent. The final score tells you exactly how to move forward. Understanding the scores. Candidates scoring between 30 and 35 are ideal matches and should be prioritized. Scores between 22 and 29 represent agents with potential who may succeed through coaching and development. Candidates scoring below 22 usually aren't the right fit, no matter how impressive they appear. A structured scoring system removes emotion and improves recruiting decisions. Now let's see how broker owners can use this framework every day. Using the scorecard effectively. Begin by defining your brokerage's ideal agent profile. Research candidates before your first meeting. Use interviews to evaluate coachability and cultural fit, then score every candidate consistently. Most importantly, stick to your minimum score threshold instead of making exceptions based on instinct. That's how predictable recruiting systems are built. And there's one more long-term benefit many brokerages overlook. Better recruiting creates better growth. The agents who score highest are usually the ones who stay longer, perform better, and contribute more to your brokerage. They're also the agents most likely to build successful teams and generate long-term revenue through revenue-sharing programs. When you recruit the right people from the start, your brokerage becomes stronger, more profitable, and easier to scale. Let's summarize the key takeaway. Build a smarter recruiting system. The future of brokerage growth isn't recruiting more agents, it's recruiting the right agents. The 2026 Ideal Agent Scorecard replaces instinct with a repeatable recruiting system that improves hiring quality, reduces turnover, and strengthens long-term brokerage growth. To explore this topic in detail, read our complete blog. The link is available in the video description.